The future of healthcare needs more than just knowledge. It demands skilled professionals who can learn, adapt, and make an impact from day one. That's where Apollo Healthcare Academy and MIT-ADT University come together.
This MOU will nurture and help all the students who are admitted to give them the kind of practical exposure they need to gain and assess among themselves, and in which Apollo Healthcare Academy and Apollo Hospitals are very much helping us in taking this MOU to the next level.
Together, we offer industry-aligned allied health programs across multiple specializations. With up to 60% of your clinical training conducted directly in hospital settings, you will gain hands-on experience under the guidance of expert mentors. Plus, secure your future with paid final year internships within Apollo and leading corporate hospitals. Backed by 100% placement support, we build the skills, confidence, and experience that the industry demands. Apollo Healthcare Academy and MIT-ADT University, together shaping the next generation of healthcare professionals.